Hi there, this is Tuso. As a qualified and experienced human resource specialist, I introduce to you qualified workplace knowledge and guidance. My purpose is to provide you qualified knowledge for the performance of your organizational success. In these tutorials, I provide qualified workplace guidance to improve your contribution to organizational success. My purpose is to provide you video tutorials to share my experience in the human resource management field to help you excel in your career and position today and tomorrow, to help you become a better supervisor or manager in any industry you're working in. These tutorials are of useful workplace knowledge, where relevant workplace information is taught. I produce learning content on trending workforce topics. That is what I offer. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and never miss a chance to learn something new.